So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Government Exam Revision Series, we have here these 7 JAMB repeated questions to answer on the topic Constitution. So guys, this video will be about the meaning, the sources and functions of Constitution. So in short, stay till the end of this video as this is a very important one. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, under the 1963 Constitution, a bill could only become law if it was assented to by the A. Governor General, B. Queen, C. Prime Minister, D. President. So guys, the answer to this question is option D, that's President, and that's it for this question. So let's consider the next question, guys. Over here is question number 2. It says, a term in which the power of government is defined and limited by the dictates of the body of the fundamental laws of the land is known as A. Written constitution, B. Constitutionalism, C. Constitution, D. Flexible constitution. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, that's constitutionalism, and that's it for this question. So let's head on to the next one. Over here is question number 3. It says, a written constitution is one that A. is contained in a single document, B. can only be amended by the highest legislative body, C. is drawn up by draftsmen, D. cannot be modified or amended. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here. A written constitution is one that is contained in a single document, and that's it for this question. So let's head on to the next one, guys. So over here is question number 4. It says, a written constitution does not provide for A. amendment procedure, B. the power and limitations, C. the fundamental rights of the citizens, D. the change of government through coup d'etat. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. And that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next question, guys. So here is question number 5. It says, what is the major distinguishing characteristic between flexible and rigid constitutions? We have A. one is unwritten, B. amendment procedure, C. manner of documentation, D. degree of legality. So guys, the major distinguishing characteristics between flexible and rigid constitution is the amendment procedure. And that's option B here. So that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next one, guys. So over here is question number 6. It says, an important function of a constitution is that it A. facilitates cross-fertilization of ideas of government, B. serves as the fountain head of authority for the exercise of power, C. provides a framework for the study of government, D. promotes citizen participation in government and administration. So guys, the answer to this question here is option B. It serves as a fountainhead of authority for the exercise of power. And that's it for this question. So let's consider the next and last question, guys. And here is question number 7 of 7, which is the last here. It says, the Nigerian Constitution guarantees freedom of speech under which fundamental rights? A. right to life, B. right to freedom of thought, C. right to freedom of expression, D. right to privacy. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, that's right to freedom of expression. And that's it for this question, guys. This is where we'll end this video for today. So if you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we're sure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.